solve this question using the quotient rule, the first step is to remember your formula. Don't forget that quotient rule said that the y all over the x is equals to v du all over the x minus u dv all over the x all over v squared. This is the formula for quotient rule. As you can see, I need my v and u, and I need the derivative of v and u. And the next step is to identify your u and v. The u is the numerator, so this is u, and the v is the denominator of this function, so this is v. After identifying your u and v, the next thing is to take the derivative of u and v. So u is equals to 2x squared minus x. So the derivative of u, which is the u all over the x, the u all over the x is equals to, using the power rule, you differentiate 2x squared, that is 4x, and if you differentiate x, you are going to get 1. So I've taken the derivative of u. Now v is equals to 3x plus 4 dv all over the x is equals to, if you differentiate 3x using the power rule, you are going to get 3. So, and if you differentiate 4, you are going to get 0. So there is no need of writing that. So we can proceed. The y all over the x is equals to, what is v? V is what? 3x plus 4. So I'm going to have 3x plus 4 multiplied by the u all over the x. The derivative of u is 4x minus 1. So I'm going to have 4x minus 1 all into bracket minus u is 2x squared minus x. So I'm going to have another bracket 2x squared minus x multiplied by the v all over the x. The v over the x is 3. So I'm going to have multiplied by 3 all into bracket all over v squared. V is equals to 3x plus 4. So for v squared, I'm going to have 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Have you seen that? So the next step, dy all over the x is equals to, now let us open the brackets. 3x multiplied by 4x, that is 12x squared. So I'm going to have 12x squared. 3x multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 3x, minus 3x. 4 multiplied by 4x, that is 16x plus 16x. 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 5. Oh, sorry. Sorry, minus 4. Okay. Let us proceed. Minus 3 multiplied by 2x squared, that is 6x squared. 6x squared. 3 multiplied by minus x, that is minus 3x. All over. Now let us open this bracket. Let us expand this. We are going to have 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. Okay. Let us proceed with the solving. So this will give the y all over the x is equals to 12x squared minus 3x plus 16x minus 4. Okay, let's open this bracket with minus. Minus multiplied by plus 6x squared, that is minus 6x squared. So minus multiplied by minus 3x, that is positive, plus 3x. So all over. Now let us expand this. I'm going to have 3x multiplied by 3x, that is 9x squared. 9x squared. 3x multiplied by 4x, that is 12x plus 12x plus 4 multiplied by 3x, that is plus 12x also, plus 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. So plus 16. So the derivative, which is dy all over the x, is equals to 12x squared. Is there any variable that have x squared? And yes, we have this. So 12x squared minus 6x squared, that is 6x squared. Okay, after that, let's collect another like term. We have minus 3x plus 16x and plus 3x in this place. Minus 3x plus 3x, that will give us a 0. So plus 16x will remain. So I'm going to have plus 16x minus 4. Okay, there is no any constant again. So I'm going to have minus 4 all over, okay, 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x, that is plus 24x plus 24x plus 16. So the derivative of this function y is equals to 2x squared minus x all over 3x plus 4 is this.